What's up, everybody? Nerd Entertainment, right over here. We just did another skate. I'm Ceejay Leonzo.
Miles Carrillo.
Clayton Taggison.
Yeah, we just ended up doing one where it's actually called
Sniffles.
And this dude really does have the sniffles, so that's why
I'm a little bit sick. Yeah. So.
Yeah, this plan was actually made
by
by
advantage of that.
Yeah, Clay right here actually ended up getting up the idea. Called me up saying, "Oh, we got to do this."
Mastermind right here.
Yep.
It's all his guys. That's all this guy's idea.
It's his mind. It's just like it's.
But you guys helped put it together.
Yeah, we actually.
It's just a team effort. It's just you can't do it without everybody.
We bring what we can bring to the table, and we go ahead and we do our
It's getting
best.
really gay. It's getting really gay. We're just gonna keep this up.
So
check this out.
Check this out.
Yeah, we just got it going. You go ahead. Let us know.
I'm kidding. Not white power.
It's open. What's up, dude?
So what are you doing?
Watching a zombie movie.
Right on, man. CJ's on his way over.
Oh yeah, sweet.
So you want to go to that party later?
I don't know, man. Kind of allergies acted up a little bit.
Alright.
It's open.
What's up, guys?
What's up, dude?
Oh, man. What y'all doing?
Watching a zombie movie.
So what's up? We're gonna go to this party or what?
About that, man. I need to talk to you for a minute.
Alright. So what's up?
Dude, he's got the sniffles.
What?
The sniffles, man.
What are you talking about?
See, dude?
So what is that supposed to mean?
You don't know? This is how this starts. We have to take care of it now. This is for mankind. We have to kill him.
Are you kidding, man?
No, we have to kill him. We have to end this.
I don't even think I'm capable of killing somebody, man. Especially our own friend.
I'll do it.
Are you serious?
I'll do it. For mankind. Hey, so there's something I wanted to show you. Want to check it out?
Yeah, whatever.
Cool.
Alright, dude, we'll be back.
Alright, I'll shut the door then. Dude, did you just really do it?
I did it. I didn't have a choice.
Was that a gunshot that I heard?
I did it for mankind. It had to be
You
done.
shot him?
I shot him. Okay? Let's go to that party.
Alright.
Alright. You know what? There's something I want to show you. Come on. Had to be done. So I can go to that party by myself.
No, it's
Oh, really? That's what happened.
Okay. Alright.
Wow. He shot
So
him.
yeah, we died.
Yeah.
Us two here. This guy's a murderer. So hope you guys enjoyed that.
I started the apocalypse.
Yep. So that's how the zombie apocalypse came. This fucking dude right here, this mastermind guy. So yeah, just go ahead and do what you gotta do. Like,
Comment.
Whatever, subscribe.
yep.
Yeah.
Alright, once again, I am Ceejay Leonzo.
Miles Carrillo.
Clayton Taggison.
Nerd Entertainment at its best. Peace out.